It has been an interesting day of trade. Clearly, we've seen major gyrations and fluctuations in the red and from the red to the green. If you see in terms of Nifty 50 as well in today's session, we hit a low of 18,270 and a high of 18,389 in intraday trade. Finally, a closure below the 18,300 mark is what we witnessed. Clearly, there was outperformance that did come in from Bank Nifty in today's session, wherein if you see Bank Nifty as well, we ended with gains of little over 150 points above the 43,450 mark in trade today. So clearly, there has been some bit of momentum with regards to Bank Nifty, and that's what the technical charts are also indicating. If you see in terms of individual stock-specific action, specifically on Nifty 50 stocks like Adani Enterprises was up in trade. Asian Paints on the back of earnings saw gains in today's session. HUL, Adani Ports as well as NTPC. Whereas on the losing end, Dr. Reddy's reacted to numbers with cuts of almost 7%. L&T, Hindalco, Davis Laboratories, as well as JSW Steel. These were few of the top losers as well from Nifty 50. Moving on, if you see in terms of sector-specific action, it was the FMCG sector which ended with gains of around 0.5% and the top-performing sector, whereas there was pressure in terms of where the pharma names go, and it was Nifty Pharma, which was the top-losing sector as well in today's session. In terms of other individual counters as well, if you see in terms of the newsmakers today, Newland Laboratories, a 20% upper circuit in intraday trade, and this was on the back of a spectacular set of numbers. Gujarat Gas and MGL have been picking up momentum on the back of Q4 numbers. Ratnamani Metals also posted a strong set of numbers. Ujjivan Small Finance again was moving on the back of numbers. Sanofi India saw smart gains as well on the back of numbers, as well as the demerger news that did come in yesterday's session, as well as NBCC, which was up in trade on the back of the order win. So there were a couple of counters that hit a 52-week high today as well. So ABB, again, a 52-week high. Indigo, that's actually bearing the fruits of what's happening with Go Air. ONGC at a 52-week high. Tata Motors is seeing some strong momentum, as well as a Bajaj Auto as well. So these were a few of the names that were at a 52-week high. So overall, an interesting weekly expiry with outperformance coming in from Bank Nifty, and expectation is there could be consolidation that could be on the cards from here on.